started my practice in 1995. I had been working with Mr. Ramalingam as an article clerk and joined the firm as a partner. And from then, the practice has been good. When I started the practice, it was very difficult to maintain the accounts of the clients because they were maintaining it manually and they were not able to maintain all their accounts properly. They would miss many things. With this introduction of these softwares, it had been a big boon to us chartered accountants. Like we were able to maintain their accounts online, as well as like we were able to give them a proper advice. Advisory services was more priority was given only from then on. The advisory services were being able to be provided to the clients, because otherwise we had to be thinking about their accounts, how to maintain their accounts and all these things. Reach Accountant, after I got introduced to this software, I felt really more comfortable working with it. My clients were able to access it easily. It was user friendly. The clients were also comfortable to work with this software because they can be accessed anywhere remotely also, and they don't need a server to hold their data and everything, because the loss of data is another fear for the clients. Here the data is held by the Reach Accountant itself, so the software helps them to upload wherever they are their details. It is very easy for them to see their daily transactions. It is good for me as a chartered accountant. I can view the accounts of the client as and when I want to, and I can take their reports, MIS reports or whatever I want, their tax filings, whether they are updating their accounts properly, whether the accounts are maintained by the accountant in the right way, and if there is any problem in what they have classifications and everything, we can change there itself, and I can freeze. After I've seen that, I can freeze that so that the client does not change it anywhere. So I am comfortable in the last minute of audit. I need not go grab everything and do the audits immediately from startup. Like I can carry on as and when. There is no rush. Everything is completed on time, and they file their returns. They take data from here only to file their sales tax and service tax returns and everything. TDS, e-TDS filing, all it can be done through this. As an chartered accountant, we also see the accounts daily basis, and we get to know the standing of the client, so we can advise for their taxations and everything, whether they have to introduce some more tax planning measures into it or not. All that can be done. Actually, one more usefulness of this software is like even if the client is using Tally data, I can synchronize the data into Reach Accountant and prepare the details whichever I want through the software. And one more thing about this Reach Accountant is that they provide on the doorstep technical support, which makes the client feel more comfortable. If there is any issue, immediately you find support person from the Reach Accountant is there on his doors to help him out, to come out. Reach Accountant is a user-friendly software, and it can be used by all business people. It is not only for small and medium scale entrepreneurs, it is available for other verticals. They can use the software and meet their tax timelines within period, and they avoid all the penalties, which is now becoming day by day increasing. So I would say it will be an easier software, and they can go ahead with it.